In manufacturing, every second counts. Efficiency, precision, and agility are essential to staying competitive. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central is the all-in-one ERP transforming how manufacturers operate. By uniting finance, operations, inventory, and production planning within a single and secure cloud-based platform, Business Central eliminates data silos, boosts collaboration, and provides the visibility for leadership to make the right decisions faster. Manufacturers using Dynamics 365 automate 27% more processes, freeing teams to focus on value-added work. Live dashboards and AI-driven insights mean you're not just tracking performance, you're anticipating challenges and seizing opportunities before they happen. As a result, teams can see up to a 15% productivity boost on the shop floor. Inventory management becomes smarter. With real-time tracking, automated reordering, and demand forecasting, you maintain the right stock levels, reduce waste, and prevent costly production delays. Production planning is streamlined. Business Central optimizes schedules, manages capacity, and even handles outsourcing, all while helping you achieve up to 85% less unplanned downtime and 10% less scrap. And because financial management is fully integrated, you see the cost impact of every decision, from procurement to final delivery, helping you control spend and improve profitability. Scalable, secure, and accessible anywhere, Business Central grows with your business. With Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, manufacturers gain the clarity, control, and confidence to deliver more, faster, smarter, and with less waste. From first touch to final sign-off, Akita and Dynamics 365 deliver smarter manufacturing solutions. Start a conversation today.